Alright, we're live. Hello, fellow creatures. It is I, Peter Lowell Davis. I come to you in a moment of dark truth, but also understanding to shed some light on the subject. This whole government shutdown thing, it's got my mind up in a bundle. I just don't know what to even say. I mean, it's like, how's America going to function without a government? Are we not forgetting, like, the three branches of government? You know, judicial, executive, legislative. Are people just so terribly pissed off that they can't even function anymore? Do you think the government is really that corrupt? Look, fellow creatures, I understand if you disagree. Everyone's free to have their opinion. But for the sake of what's up above, don't waste all your energy hating Obama just because he gets on your nerves, doesn't do what you want. I mean, I'm not sucking up to him. No. What I'm doing is speaking the honest truth from mind as clear as I can, without feeling nervous or shy. I'm practically going to go to bed soon, so I'm just making this message clear to all of you. Anyone who wishes to preserve peace in America, don't let the truth escape you. Preserve it. Savor it. Escape to it. God bless you all, fellow creatures, and good night.